wondered why there's so much buzz around the design district? Let me show you. One of my favorite things about living near the design district, you can start your days like this. Morning smoothies, workouts, business calls, everything walkable. But here's what most people don't know. This entire neighborhood was master planned for luxury. The developer worked directly with each designer brand to make sure that each storefront wasn't just a standalone building, but one cohesive architectural vision.
This is where style lives, from designer fashion and world-class brands to the most iconic architecture in the city.
And the food? It's some of the best in the city. From Michelin-star restaurants like Côte, L'Atelier de Joël Robuchon, and Les Jardinières, to weekend brunches at Michael's Genuine with friends. Art and culture? Everywhere you turn. Galleries, sculptures, public installations, expression on every corner. And the events here are second to none. Design Miami during Art Week, Miami Fashion Week pop-ups, Miami Concourse car shows, outdoor music performances. There's always something amazing happening. Then there's The More, one of the newest private members clubs in the area. A space where art, culture, fine dining, and curated events come together for those who want something more exclusive. And the best part? You can live near all of this. DM me privately to learn more.